To perform data backup on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to go for About Phone, and from here scroll down and you will be able to find this backup and restore settings. So let's go in there, and from here you can perform different types of backups, like the local backups on the mobile device or on the computer, and here you can also perform the backup on the Xiaomi cloud or on the Google cloud, in the Google service. So yeah, I will for example set up this local backup on the mobile device. So let's tap on this one, and here you have to enter your current screen lock. In my case it is the pattern, and from here you'll have to select all of these different stuff which you want to backup, like some system data, third-party applications and applications data. Here you can find also some audio, video files, SMS and contacts, also images, but I currently don't have any of these files, any of this data, so I'm able to only select this one and not this one actually. And here you can also set up which applications you can extend this menu, and you can select from which applications you'd like to perform this backup. So let's select for all of these applications actually, and alright, and from here you just have to press this backup button and got it. And from here wait for the backup to actually complete, and yeah, it is backing up. Wait for it to complete, and then that's basically how you can do this.